for that. Now I got something else that it is not a grain of salt to be taken with it. You will not need any salt to go with this. Okay. And that is this guy right here. That, ladies and gentlemen, is already seasoned. It's already spicy enough.
The A5 Wagyu?
Yeah, you don't need no salt.
Yeah.
On that is the new Z Fold 2 Galaxy Samsung. I put those words in a different order to make you rethink it. In the Mystic Bronze, I was goofing. I was playing around, Will. Shot the unbox therapy video. In fact, it's uploading right now as we speak. Imagine that, multitasking. Right over here, it's uploading. I'm chatting.
Yeah.
Lou later, unbox therapy, working together, cooperation. You've heard it before. Mm-hmm. This is the Mystic Bronze. They fixed the hinge, solid hinge, stopping at any range with the brush on the inside. Why don't you play a little bit of that clip? That's from Samsung while our video is uploading, the unboxing video, which you're definitely going to go watch after you're done watching this Lou Later episode.
Yeah, I would.
You'll go check it out. No. Willie Doo's not biased or anything. And look at this product video. They go in, the hinge is completely redone. It was the most striking thing for me interacting with this device, the Z Fold 2, how different the open and close feels with the brushes and the solidness of the hinge. It'll freeze at any point. The feeling of quality in there and an improvement. Now, I'm not saying this thing you want to throw it off a cliff. I'm not saying this is a solid slab like a slab is. Cold stone. Stone cold?
Cold stone. Ice cream.
Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Oh, the stunner?
Yeah, the ice cream on the slab. You had to follow along, Will.
We're going back to that.
Yeah, you had to follow along. So I was impressed because I had the old one there on the table as well. It's upstairs right now, but I'm opening and I'm closing to feel. And that one had a little grittiness to it, which at the time I was okay with because I was bending screens. A year ago, I was bending screens, which got me going, as it should if you were in this business. How about that for a notification sound? But it was obviously first generation. There were some issues. And they go back to the drawing board, and you appreciate when Samsung goes back to the drawing board. They put the people in the boardroom. You understand? They put on the suits. They put on the outfits.
Yeah.
They put on the, what's his name? Tom
Brown.
Yeah, they put on the Tom Brown. And they got the suit jacket, but with the dress shorts and the dress shoes.
Let's go see if Tom Brown here.
Yeah, Tom Brown, because they had the special edition, so they must have had a meeting. They must have had a meeting. Like yeah, they went like that to the boardroom and they redid it. And they were all sitting there like that. And they said, you know what? Here's how you do a hinge. Here's how you improve a hinge. That's how the conversation went down. And now you got a hinge, Will. You stop it at any point you want to stop it. Because I don't know where you want to stop your hinge. And then, of course, let's not forget, you fixed the outside. Biggest deal. Because you got to be able to use the phone like that. And that was the advantage that the Huawei Mate X had, even though that device, you don't see that thing kicking around too many places. And they had the reverse thing going on, a lot of durability questions. They kept the same design, which gives me fewer durability concerns, but I'm still going to have my durability concerns. But then they give me the big display on the outside so I can do the quick things I need to do straight out the pocket without the opening. Because the old Fold, with the small front screen, I was opening all the time.
Yeah.
All right? You see, I'm looking at the frame up there to make sure I've got it framed up.
And it looks cleaner, too.
You see that?
You don't have the camera little ledge there.
Amazing point you just made. That's right. It's the Infinity O style, the tiny little camera hole punch. I don't want to give away the whole unbox therapy video, but it's in the house, and that video is uploading at the moment. Now, of course, if you head to the next article we're going to be talking about here, this brings into question, this is where your brain goes, my brain goes, this is where everybody's brain's going to go. Because this is back-to-back now. We just had this thing making the rounds. We couldn't show it turned on. I feel it vibrating because it is turned on. You see, I can turn it on, I can test it out and use it, but I can't show the world yet. And this is the comparison you want to think about. It's two different approaches to a similar kind of concept, the future computing device. What is a phone? are these phones? I don't know if I can say this or not, but I got Panos coming on for the interview.
Well, you just did.
Oh, I just gave it away, so it doesn't matter. But I got him coming on for the interview, assuming all goes well. And I got to ask him, and I will ask him when he comes on the show, is this a phone? What is a phone? I'll ask him that because it's a fun, we're going to have a fun little dialogue. We'll do some tap dancing, as you would.